Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to redeem Lyft gift card. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the Lyft application on my phone, and this is how it will look like once you open the application. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find two sections, rides and also trips. And right here in the top left corner, you're gonna find this icon. If you click on it, you can view your profile here. And if you click on view profile from here, you can see your profile. You can also view it as a driver. Right here, you're gonna find your account settings, your informations, business profiles, family, my riders, linked accounts. And if you go back right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find gift cards in this list. If you click on it, then right here, you can see redeem your gift card. Just go ahead, click on this box, and then you need to put the gift card number right here, and then click on redeem. You can also go right here to payments, and from here you can add a payment method if you want. You can also add cash to your Lyft cash. If you click right here, from here you can, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find adding cash to your balance. Firstly, you need to find a store. Use our app to search for retailers who can turn your physical cash into Lyft cash. Then share your code. After you locate a store, you'll see a unique barcode or ID number to share with the cashier. And lastly, you should add at least $30. You must add at least $30 in store to use Lyft cash. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.